If there is one thing I can't skip in my hair care routine, it's natural DIY gels. They've completely changed how my hair grows, retains moisture, and defines. So today, I'm breaking down the top 5 natural DIY gels for massive hair growth and definition. So let's get into it. So I get a lot of questions like which natural gel is the best for hair growth, which one gives the best coil definition, or if you're thinking of adding natural DIYs to your routine but you don't know where to start, then this video will help guide you. So first on the list is Okra gel. So let's start with Okra gel because this one is criminally underrated. Yes, you might be thinking, why is okra gel so good? Well, it's because okra gel is naturally rich in mucilage, which is that slippery gel-like substance that gives insane sleep and moisture. That's why it's an excellent detangler, especially for tightly coiled and kinky hair. So some of the benefits of okra gel includes deep moisture and hydration. It makes detangling so much easier. It enhances coil clumping and definition, which I love. It also reduces breakage caused by dryness, and it adds softness and shine. So this gel is especially amazing if your hair gets dry easily or breaks during detangling. So okra gel is also very easy to make. You just slice up your okra pods, boil in water for about 10 to 20 minutes until it becomes slimy, then strain and allow it to cool, and that's literally it. And I also love that okra is very easy to make. It is easily accessible, especially if you live where okra is common. Another good thing is that it doesn't flake when used for coil definition. It adds excellent sleep for detangling and also gives a well-defined coils. So next on the list is flaxseed gel. So flaxseed gel is probably the most DIY gel, and for good reasons. Why flaxseed gel is great is because it is rich in omega-3, fatty acid, antioxidants, and vitamin E, which helps strengthen the hair and support healthy hair growth. So this gel gives definition and hold without that crunchy, drying feeling. Flaxseed encourages healthy hair growth, strengthens weak strands, defines coils beautifully, adds shine, and works for multiple purposes. Okay, you can use flaxseed gel as a detangler, as a wash and go style gel, as a pre-poo treatment, or an ingredient in your DIY hair butter. It is easy to make, but one important thing to remember is that you do not want to cook it for too long or it will become too thick and extremely hard to strain. So another thing I love about flaxseed gel is that it doesn't flake when used for coil definition. It doesn't have any offensive smell. It is great for definition and hold. It is very versatile, but one thing to have in mind if you want to include this in your routine is that it is not easily accessible everywhere. Okay, you can usually find it only in certain stores or online, and slightly more expensive compared to okra gel. Coming in at number 3 is aloe vera gel. So aloe vera is a classic and it's especially amazing for scalp health. So why is aloe vera so great? Aloe vera is naturally anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, deeply hydrating, which makes it perfect if you're struggling with itchy scalp, dryness, or dandruff. Some of the benefits of aloe vera to hair includes it suits the scalp, it promotes a healthy environment for hair growth, it adds moisture and shine, it also helps reduce breakage. So another thing I love about aloe vera is that it can be used in several ways. You can use aloe vera as a hair mask, you can use it as a detangler, you can even make a hair butter out of aloe vera gel, you can make your hair oils, you can also use it as a leave-in treatment. Honestly, the options are endless. Also love that aloe vera is very accessible. You can have it in your garden, you can find it in supermarket or stores. It is excellent for scalp health. It is lightweight as well and hydrating. You don't need to, cook it for preparation. So preparation is very easy. One thing to keep in mind, especially if you've never used aloe vera on your hair or scalp before, is that it can cause itching if it isn't prepared properly. So aloe vera contains a yellowish liquid that sits just under the skin of the leaf. This liquid is also called aloe latex, and it's what has that strong, unpleasant smell and can irritate the scalp or skin. So that's why it's very important to soak the aloe vera leaf or gel in a warm water for a few minutes before using it. So soaking helps to release and wash away that yellow latex, making the aloe vera much gentler and safer to use. This simple step can help prevent itching, irritation, or discomfort, especially if you have a sensitive scalp. Moving on to the number 4 spot, which is chia seed gel. So now let's talk about chia seed gel, because this one genuinely shocked me. So chia seeds are packed with protein, omega-3s, antioxidant, and some of the benefits include enhancing coil and coil's definition. This gel by far gave me some of the best coil definition I've ever had. I was honestly shocked at how well it defined my coils. So it also helps strengthen the hair, it adds softness and shine, it helps reduce breakage. Chia seed gel can be used in different ways for the hair. You can use it as a detangler, as a wash and go gel for your pre-poo treatment. You can also make your hair butters out of it. So when it comes to preparation is the easiest. You simply soak your chia seeds in water until they form, and it is also easily accessible. Most people already have it at home, but one downside of this gel when used for coil definition is that it can flake if mixed with certain products, so you need to be careful when layering with leave-ins. And finally, moving on to the number 5 spot, which is oat gel. So not many people gravitate towards oat gel, or not a lot of people aren't even familiar with using oat gels in their hair care routine. But just in case you don't know, oats actually have amazing benefits for the hair. Oats are rich in B vitamins, antioxidants, amino acids, and beta-glucan, which helps strengthen the hair, soothes the scalp, reduces dryness, and improves moisture retention. So if your hair loves gentle, nourishing gels, then oat gel is definitely one to pay attention to. Oat gel is best for soft moisture and hydration, sensitive or itchy scalp, and light coil definition. This gel is perfect if your hair prefers soft, touchable definition rather than strong hold. Oat release a natural silky gel when boiled that coats the hair strands, helping them retain moisture while calming the scalp. It doesn't try to force coils, but instead allows your natural coil pattern to form gently. So this makes it great for people whose hair doesn't like heavy gels. Oat gel also helps to reduce friction and breakage. It improves manageability and light coil definition. It also adds sleep for easier detangling process. The preparation is quite easy. You just add your oats to boiling water, let it boil for a few minutes until it thickens, then strain well with a fine cloth or sieve, then allow that to cool before use. The texture should be smooth and silky and not grainy, so you want to make sure you sieve it well. Another thing I like about oat gel is that it is extremely affordable, easily accessible. Most households already have oats. It is gentle on the hair and scalp, no strong or offensive smell. But also keep in mind that when using oat gel, it is very light and not ideal if you want strong definition. It has short shelf life, and it also needs proper straining to avoid oat residue in the hair. Also keep in mind that it usually does not flake when used alone or on clean, damp hair. Oat gel dries soft and leaves no residue, but when layered over or mixed with silicone heavy leave-ins or cream conditioners, it can flake, or when too much product is applied. So personally, one of the best ways to use oat gel is to use it as a hair mask. This way your hair is getting all the benefits of the oat gel, and also you don't have to deal with any flaking. But just in case you're wondering, you do not have to stick to just one gel forever. It is completely okay to rotate between them, use more than one, choose based on what your hair needs at the moment. As long as your hair responds well and you're not experiencing dryness, flaking or irritation, you're good. Those are my top 5 natural DIY gels for growth and definition, all tried and tested by me. I highly recommend giving at least one of these a try if you haven't already. So let me know in the comments which one you've tried, which one you are most excited to try, and which is your favorite. If you want a step-by-step video on how to make any of these gels, check the card or description below. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.